we doing? Welcome to my kitchen. It's been a while since we've been here. The reason for that is that I'm still doing the pantry challenge. I know, it's the end of March. It's the last week of March and I'm still eating out of the freezer. So, yeah, but I've been starting to get a bit of food fatigue, and with things going on as they do in life, I felt I needed to spoil myself. Now, I've had to do that in the way of only using what I have in the pantry. Now, luckily, I have stuff in the pantry, and I will be putting that video out later. But I wanted to, while I was doing it, I wanted to invite you guys to do the same thing as I did. Now, I'm challenging you, and it will be collaborated. There will be a playlist, all of that, to use only what you have in the house right now. Use only normal kitchen appliances, as in the stove, the oven, cake tins, hand utensils, excuse that, bacon, that was, we made a toasty earlier. So only using hand things, no electrical appliances, so no waffle makers, no Instapots, no air fryers, none of that. Just a bowl and whatever you're going to be using it with it. You can use your pots, you can use your pans, you can use whatever you've got on these shelfy things, but no food processors, no mixers, no nothing. I want people to be able to make what you're making using only the bare bones of essential equipment. Okay, so yeah, there you go, them's the rules. Now, so I'm going to put a hashtag spoil yourself pantry challenge. I'll figure it out anyway somehow, and I'm going to run it till the end of April. So if you use the hashtag in one of your videos, please let me know. I will check it out. I'll find the hashtag and I'll find what you're doing, and I will add you to the playlist, which we will have going. Okay, so please do join us. That would be awesome. I'll be putting my video out later today, and I will see you guys really soon. Kind of excited about this, actually. Let's have some fun. Oh yeah, and I'm putting the rules down below in the description as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Have an awesome one, guys. I love you guys heaps. Blessings.